Hey guys, this is Tattoo Tony Alton, and welcome to our mission to document the dying American Rust Belt town and all the homes that now sit abandoned that once housed America's heroes, the industry worker. All the small homes that these working men and women were proud of. And unfortunately, I guess you could think maybe our government, world trade, the corporations that these people built their lives around and clocked in and out and worked hard for to produce the best that America had to offer were left, and they were betrayed. And these homes sat and declined as industries and jobs pulled out, and there wasn't enough money or good jobs to keep these homes up, and they just sat and decayed. I don't know if all that made sense, but these families, perhaps in these photographs, were maybe the sons and daughters of people who had lived here at a time when this wasn't such a depressed area, and when all the little corner businesses and abandoned stores and shops were filled with merchants who were selling goods to the hardworking men and women of our country. Andrew, watch out. Don't step on this stuff. Dude, I'm out of here. I gotta get out of here. I ain't got no breathing. I'll catch a freaking lung disease in here, man. You ready? If you're new to the channel, there are a lot of videos on this channel from this town. It is Alton, Illinois, one of America's most haunted small towns, a historic old river town in the Midwest, and once an industrial powerhouse. The world's almost largest glass manufacturer, making bottles and inventing new processes, was located here, as well as Olin, which before it was Olin made blasting powder for quarries and dynamite, and they manufactured plows here. One of the biggest boxboard or cardboard manufacturers was here, along with a steel mill and later oil refineries in the area that once employed thousands of employees. And so we're kind of on a mission to save and document as much as we can. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, share. Check out the other videos in the Abandoned Alton playlist, and turn on the bell and notifications to see any new and upcoming videos. The next few videos will be homes that were completely full with everything left behind, so don't miss it.